I want to ask you a bunch of questions, and I want to have them answered immediately.
When the engine is running, air and fuel are drawn into it into an area called the combustion chamber. This area is directly above the piston. If the air-fuel mixture does not explode in the combustion chamber, this is called a what? A detonation, an imbalance, or a misfire. The answer is a misfire. If your car misfires too long, it will turn on the check engine light. Which one of these codes indicate a misfire on cylinder 1? P0201, P0301, or P0401? The answer is P0301. How do you know which cylinder is cylinder 1? Cylinder 1 is the cylinder closest to the crankshaft pulley. It's easy to see on an inline engine, but if you have a V-shaped engine, you could look up the firing order to be sure which side cylinder 1 is on.